Have you ever heard the phrase, your labs are normal, but deep down you still feel exhausted, foggy, and stuck in a body that just won't cooperate? Yeah, you've tried medications, diets, supplements, and maybe even some of those trendy quick fixes, but nothing seems to work for long. And the frustrating part is your symptoms keep coming back. Well, here's the truth. It's not your fault. You're not crazy, and it's not something that you just have to accept because you're getting older. What if the problem isn't you, but it's an outdated system that you've been trusting with your health? Because here's what I've found. The real reason why you feel this way is often due to hidden imbalances in your body that most doctors don't test for, and they definitely don't treat. I'm Dr. Linell King, and over the years, I have helped thousands of high-achieving professionals, people just like yourself, who were doing everything right, but still felt like their bodies were falling apart. Honestly, I've been there too. Back early in my career, I dealt with fatigue and chronic back pain, and conventional medicine had no real answers. That's what led me to functional medicine, and that's how I developed the Thrive Method, a vitality optimization system designed to reset your metabolism, restore your energy, and help you feel 10 years younger in as little as 60 days. And the best part, we work with clients virtually, so it doesn't matter where you live, you can get the support that you need no matter your location. Let me break this down with 3 simple truths that could completely shift the way that you see your health. Truth number 1, eat less and exercise more is outdated advice. That approach wrecks your metabolism. It spikes cortisol, which is your stress hormone, and it ignores the root cause, hormonal and metabolic imbalances. Truth number 2, normal labs don't mean you're healthy. Most labs only scratch the surface. They don't check for deeper issues like hormone imbalances, nutrient deficiencies, or inflammation. That's why we use advanced functional testing to find out what others miss. Truth number 3, you can't do this alone. Support makes all the difference. You're probably great at showing up for others, but when it comes to your own health, accountability and guidance are game changers. This is why we strongly encourage you to involve your significant other, because when you're aligned in your health journey, everything else in life improves too. Let me give you 2 quick real-life examples. Mary was working out, eating clean, doing all the right things, but still felt exhausted. Her doctors brushed it off as aging. We ran advanced tests and found high cortisol, insulin resistance, and thyroid dysfunction. After applying our Thrive Method, she lost 18 pounds, regained her energy, and even got her husband on board. Now they feel better, even closer than ever. Then there's Sharon. Her struggle wasn't weight. It was brain fog, high blood pressure, and daily aches and pains. Her labs were normal, but she didn't feel normal. We found hidden toxins, adrenal fatigue, and gut inflammation. After following our program, she dropped 20 pounds, regained her clarity, and finally felt in control again. These results are not rare. They're repeatable when you have the right plan. So, what is this Thrive Method all about? It's a simple 5-step system designed to help you take back control over your health. Step 1, restore your energy and focus. We rebalance stress hormones, stabilize blood sugar, and supercharge your energy factories so that way you feel sharp and energized all day. Step 2, eliminate pain and inflammation. We reduce inflammatory triggers, heal your gut, and support joint health so that your body moves with ease again. Step 3, strengthen your immune system. We detox your body, calm inflammation, and help you bounce back from stress and sickness even faster. Step 4, lose stubborn weight and belly fat without extreme diets or meds. We create a personalized nutrition plan that works with your body, not against it, so weight loss becomes sustainable. Step 5, maintain your strength, vitality, and connection. This isn't just about you. It's about creating a long-term, healthy lifestyle that you and your partner can grow into together. So what's next? It's simple. Just click the link below this video to fill out a short application. Once you submit that, you'll get to book a free discovery call with our team. On that call, we'll talk through what's really going on in your body, map out a path to help you feel better fast, and see if you're a good fit for our program. Just a heads up, we don't work with insurance. This program is for people who are ready to invest into their own health without the red tape or limitations of traditional healthcare system. Also, remember, we work with people virtually, so no matter where you are in the country, you can still get our support right from the comfort of your own home. And again, we highly recommend that you involve your significant other along for this journey. It creates shared accountability, stronger support, and often even better results. We only work with a limited number of new clients each month so that we can give our full attention to those we serve. So if you're serious about feeling better, moving better, thinking clearer, and showing up fully in life again, this is your moment. Click below to get started, and let's make this happen together.